It's Friday here in Seaside Heights. That's right, Seaside Heights Friday here, and we're in the carousel arcade, and we're gonna walk the boardwalk or do something. I don't know what. So let's keep moving, huh? What do you think? Keep moving. Ready there? We'll keep moving. Ready? It's Friday. It's Friday. You gotta get down on Friday. Come on, sing along with me. Okay, I promise I won't sing that song today.
I don't sing that song.
Anyway, we're gonna walk down the boardwalk. Easter's a couple days away, and we're gonna be in search of the Easter Bunny or something like that. That's right, cloudy, and we're just minutes away from the rain. It's gonna rain any minute now, so this will be the short Easter video. This will be 3 days of video because it's just gonna rain, and you'll see nothing. See nothing but me. That's right, we're on Casino Pier. That's right, the rides are open before it rains. It's gonna rain today, so we'll see how long we're out here before the downpour starts. And this end of the boardwalk, there's nothing going on. It's all desolated. Getting the rides up. Just taking a little ride here today, like a little bike ride in Seaside Park, and of course it's cold out here, and thought it was going to rain, but it's kind of sunny, but it's still cold out. I like to just ride around on my bike and look at the houses. That's pretty cool looking. Cool looking sea captain out here in Seaside Park. Just riding along, enjoying the cold weather. At some of the lavishing homes. Lavishing is a word. I always found that one kind of interesting. Nice house to have. I don't think I'd want to wash those windows, though. Okay, that's the house that I wouldn't want to wash the windows in. There's a lot of windows in that house. You know what this video needs? More cowbell. Hey, thanks for watching.